this spouse knocks me on my knees. It didn't hurt, flirt, blood squirt, stuff shirt like me on a tree. After I count down 3 rounds in hell,